Hi, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, hi, Ms Moreen. My name is Moreen. It's the YouTube babe right here. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can style a bandana onto your natural hair. I know you're already asking, is that your natural hair, girl? I'll be telling you that as the video continues, so make sure that you do watch the video to the very end, and I'll really appreciate it if you like this video. Remember, you can always talk to me via the comment section, and you can share out there, tell someone about this channel. Remember, we've done so many tutorials on bandana and hairstyles, so I'm going to be linking a link in the description, placing a link in the description. So after this video, just check the description and go watch more videos, and you cannot miss out a new favorite. But in this particular one, let's dive into it. So what you need is, let's just first comb the hairs, treat your hair nice. Don't worry about this band, it's having a purpose, but for you it's not a must you'll be having that particular band, okay? It's not a must you be having the particular band around your hair. Healing energy. And then spray your hair, apply oils. I don't know how you take care of your hairs. I don't know if you can hear the way the clouds are it's about to rain, cats and dogs here. Hey, so sorry guys. I'm not even sorry, but anyways, I was talking to my Nemuta, my mom. She was checking on me if I've eaten, and oh my goodness guys. If I get someone else into my life, maybe a man, I want him to treat me as well as my mama does. Anyway, back to our video. Shout out for my mom, okay? Oh my goodness, the rain, so I'll have to like shout, or maybe so guys, you have to like comb your hair. After combing all your hairs, maybe like spray it or apply oils. I don't know how you actually maintain your hair. The next thing is, let's see, maybe I'll show you two styles in which you can do this, or one. Although I do not like the way the rain is deciding to rain a moment, but let's say those are just blessings. So pick your bandana like this, rotate it. We are going to start with the most simple way, in which you can just use a bandana onto your natural hairs. Make turn it like this, rotate it like that to have such kind of shape, making sure that the inner part is facing towards the front. And if you're placing it like on a flat surface like this, you make sure that the inner part is facing towards the top, okay? So let's do that. Then make a fold. If you have too much hair, you're going to make just a small fold like that. But if you have less hair, or you have a bald head, or you have short hair, you can just make sure that the tip reaches to the other tip. One tip of the bandana reaches onto the other one. But in this case, for my hair, I'm going just to use a little bit of the foldings like that. The next thing is just placing it onto your head. And now making a knot on top of your hair. And then make a knot. So guys, if you did like that, please make sure that you do like the video. You can talk to me in the comment section, share us out there, tell someone about this channel. Subscribe for more. No? Imagine that Kwanzaa looking like this is classy, it is elegant, it is amazing. You can use it for a girl's night out, I don't know, movie night. You can always accessorize like that with some shades. So guys, that's easy. The other way in which you can actually rock the same style, whereby it seems like you have a bandana and also you have a band, when making your knots, when making your folds like this, see this side? Okay, let me show you. So it was like this. We rotate it like this and then make our fold like that. What you do, you rotate it and make another fold like this, but this one seems like to be small for my hair. So what we do is adjust it like that. So this side will be and the other side. So our fold will be this side. You see, this side, this side. Our fold will be right here. Our first fold will be right here, like that. You have something beautiful like that, and then you place it like that onto your head, like this. Now, once you place it here, you make just a knot at the another knot just like previously, but this one tighter. Seemingly the first time it wasn't that tight for me. Wow. So like this, it will, I don't know if the camera is showing us, but it seems like you have a band and a bandana at the same time. I don't know if you can see the difference, but yeah. And in this particular case, I have like adjusted the size of the bandana. It's not so big. I just love. Ooh. Okay, I just love the outcome, guys. I just love it. We can use this style for a picnic, day out, girls' night, name them all. See, in this particular case, I have tucked the tail inside, but I can always choose to let go free, let it free. Yeah? Like that. So it's upon you to choose the one that you feel it looks most amazing, best. It looks amazing for you guys. So actually, that's me. I just love the outcome. I just love the outcome. Now look at that girl. Oh my goodness! I really need to go for vacation and rock these bandana styles and all. It's as easy as A, B, C, D, guys. Talk to us in the comment section. Goodness gracious, this looks amazing. I just love it. Just click here to watch more of my videos. You can check out the description, but just click here to watch more of my amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching this one. See you there. Let's meet up right there.